Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and of course I'm here to teach you another line dance. Are you ready? Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're watching this channel for the first time, this is a line dance teaching channel where I give you the step-by-step instructions, and at the end of this video you should be able to do the dance. So if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think. So also I would like to give a shout out to all those individuals that reaches out to me and leave me a comment and let me know how you like the channel. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Just as a friendly reminder, at the end of this video right here, I'm going to pin the demo so you can dance along with me after you learn the dance. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, I would like to give a NOLA shout out, hug and kisses to Dinetta Gunsnail Hall out of Los Angeles, California. Check out my cute t-shirt, guys. Da-da! Cardio soul is good for the heart. So thank you, Donnie. Thank you for the t-shirt. I really appreciate it. So guys, this is her line dance that I'm going to teach you. And it is a two-wall dance. And the name of it is Shining. So come on, let's go. So I forgot to turn the lights on. Let me check. Turn the lights on right quick. All right, here we go. So stand on this side of the room looking in this direction, okay? So this line dance, guys, it's a great workout. It's gonna get your people's heart rate up because we're moving. So it's a two-wall dance, and it starts off with a walk to the right, a walk to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, tap, left, walk left, tap, right. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, tap, left, right, tap, right. And make sure you get those taps in, okay? Now I want you to step right, and we're going to start doing alternating knee lifts. Left, right, okay? So you step right, lift left, and right, okay? So that's 4 alternating knee lifts. Let's go back to the top with our walk to the right. Make sure you get those taps in, and then put that weight on the right and lift that left knee up, right knee up, left knee up, and then the right knee. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and walk right, tap, left, tap, right, left, and right, okay? From here, we're gonna walk up 4 times. The right is up, so we're gonna walk up on the right, left, right, left. Now, when you go back, you can walk back, or you can bend your knees and go back. Right, left. And that's going to really engage those your quadriceps, okay, when you do that. When you do that, after you come back, let's walk back up again. So we're going to walk up and then come back twice, okay? So we walk right, left, come back, right, left. And guys, I'm telling you, when I do that, I can really feel that in my quadricep. So let's put it all together. Walk to the right, walk to the left. Step on your right, lift left, left. Then we walk up for 4, right, left. Bend those knees slightly and come back. Right, left. Lift up and go back up. Walk right, left. Then come back. Right, left. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and walk right, tap, left, tap, right, step right, lift, walk up right, left, back right, left, walk right, left, back right, left, right, left. Good. The last step was on the left. Now this is going to be a really quick step, okay? Kick, ball, change. Kick, tap, out. Okay? So instead of kick, tap, back, you're going to kick, tap, out to the side. Kick, tap, out. Okay? When I tap out on my left heel is up. I'm going to cross over, left over right, left shoulder come forward, half turn. Okay? So it's 1 and 2, cross 3, turn 4. Again, kick, tap out. It's kick, ball, change. Kick, tap, out. On that left, cross left, left shoulder come forward, and turn. And we're going to end up, we do it a bump to the right, bump, no, roll right, roll left, and right, and left. So we roll right, roll left, and then bump 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, again, kick, tap out, left over, half turn, roll right, roll left, and bump it to the right for 4, and then bump it to the left for 4. And that's your dance. And when you finish, my weight is going to be on my right, on my left, my right heel is up, and I'm going to walk to the right. And that makes it a 2-wall dance. I go start all the way back to the top, okay? So instructors that, especially beginner instructors, your instructors that teach it for the first time, that's what makes your dance a 1-wall, 2-wall, or 4-wall dance, is when you start the dance all over, what wall are you at? You're looking at. Okay? So just because you did a turn, it doesn't make it a 2-wall dance or whatever. It's when you start back at the top. Okay? So when I do that kick, ball, change, and turn, I'm still dancing, but then I start back over again. So I'm at this wall here. So that's what makes it a 2-wall dance. And then when I do it again, I'll be at this wall. So that doesn't make it a 3-wall dance, that make it a second rotation. So when you go back to that same wall, that makes it a rotation, okay? So it's a 2-wall dance, and each time you visit that same wall from the top, from the beginning, we started at this wall. When I go back to this wall again, this front wall, it's a rotation. Okay, that would be the second rotation. All right, 2-wall dance, and your rotation is going to be based on how many times you come back to that front wall and start all over again. Okay. All right. So too much information, huh? But I've been talking to a lot of my instructors, a lot of instructors, beginners instructors that's just started teaching, and you're assuming people know that information, but they don't, you know. So I want to just share that information with them so they know as they start teaching. Okay, so let's go back to the top. We have everything that we need to put this dance together. I'm gonna call out the steps, and then when I come back, I'll give the numbers, okay? So here we go. I'll count it out for you. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk to the right, right tap, left, walk left, tap, right step, knee, left knee, right knee, left knee, right knee, walk it up on your right, left, bring it back, right, left, up, right, left, back, right, left, kick, tap out, cross half, roll right, roll left, bump to the right for 4, then bump to the left for 4. And look, sometimes you feel a little sassy, you want to pop that neck. You go right, snap, left, snap, okay? Then it starts back over again, okay? Going to your right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, lift, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2, cross 3, turn 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, shake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? On 8, your weight is on your left, my right heel is up, and I start walking. So the modification, guys, is if you don't want your seniors to bend their knees or whatever, just walk back, okay? They don't have to bend their knees, okay? So that's it. Shining. It's a 2-wall dance. And how many counts? We go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Cross 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I don't know if I counted it right, but I got 6, 8 counts. Okay, it might be more than that. And then you go back to the top. So make sure you go to Diana's Guns and Nail Hall. Make sure you check her out on YouTube and also Facebook. Cardio Soul is good for the heart. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you for sending me your t-shirt. I'm going to pin the demo here so we can dance together. Beginner instructors, I wouldn't use this dance at the very beginning of my class. I would play it like maybe number 4 or whatever, because of the knee lifts. It really gets the heart rate up. So just play a song that's a little slower just to warm your group up, and then play this song. You're definitely going to get a great workout. The name of the line dance is Shining. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.